That was a good catch, huh?
That was a very good catch. Good bird or bat?
Bird.
Want to go right out the back door?
I'll put it in the cage and
Okay.
take it away for you. All right.
Wow.
One little troublemaker.
Yeah, good for you.
I just don't know. Oh, that's a little tricky. Just moving it. Here goes the excitement. It's coming down. Oh my God. That's like 5 birds. I don't know. Is there more gonna come out of here? Oh crap. Here comes the client. So we got one out yesterday. I don't know what these birds were thinking.